Hey everyone, welcome to Make Money Online with AI Tools. AI is no longer just a concept of the future, it's here, transforming our world right now. In the next 5 years, AI will revolutionize industries like healthcare, transportation, education, retail, and finance. Imagine quicker diagnoses, self-driving cars, personalized learning, smarter shopping, and safer financial systems. The changes coming are faster and more impactful than we can imagine. So, are you ready to discover how AI will shape your life and the world around you? Stay tuned as we explore the 5 industries that will be completely transformed by AI. Plus, if you want a step-by-step guide to building your own AI-based side hustle blueprint, don't forget to check out my ebook, AI Side Hustle, link in the description below. It's packed with actionable tips whether you're looking to make extra income or launch a full-blown creative business. Let's get into it. First up, healthcare. AI is set to revolutionize how we diagnose, treat, and care for patients. Imagine walking into a clinic and getting an accurate diagnosis within minutes, thanks to AI systems analyzing scans and medical data faster than any human doctor. AI can spot conditions like cancer, heart disease, and neurological disorders long before traditional methods. Early detection means quicker treatments, which can save countless lives. But it doesn't stop there. Robotic-assisted surgeries are becoming more precise, reducing recovery times and surgical risks. Picture a robot guided by AI performing delicate procedures with unmatched accuracy, ensuring patients heal faster and with fewer complications. AI is also helping predict potential health issues before symptoms even appear, allowing people to take preventive measures. Beyond hospitals, AI is enhancing personal health management. Wearable devices now track vitals and use AI to provide real-time health insights. Imagine your smartwatch notifying you of irregular heart rhythms or helping you manage chronic conditions like diabetes with timely suggestions. AI chatbots and virtual health assistants are also making healthcare more accessible. Patients in remote areas can get medical advice, book appointments, and receive prescription reminders, all without stepping foot in a clinic. This technology bridges gaps in healthcare, ensuring more people get the care they need. In the next 5 years, the combination of AI, big data, and healthcare innovation will not only improve patient outcomes but also reduce costs, making quality healthcare available to more people around the world. The future of healthcare isn't just about treating illness, it's about predicting, preventing, and personalizing care for everyone. With AI at the helm, patient care is about to reach levels we never thought possible. Next up, transportation, an industry already undergoing massive changes with AI leading the charge. Self-driving cars aren't just a concept for the future, they're already on the road for beta testing. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and others are putting autonomous vehicles through real-world trials, gathering data to make rides safer and more efficient. Imagine sitting back, relaxing, or even working while your car navigates traffic, stops at lights, and finds the quickest route to your destination. In the next 5 years, this won't be a luxury, it'll be part of everyday life. Public transportation is also evolving. Cities are already testing AI-managed transit systems that adjust routes based on passenger demand and real-time traffic conditions. Picture buses that automatically reroute to avoid congestion, getting you where you need to be faster. AI can even predict peak travel times, allowing systems to deploy additional vehicles when demand is high, making your commute smoother. And let's talk about deliveries. With the rise of e-commerce, speed is everything. AI-powered drones and autonomous delivery vehicles are set to revolutionize how packages reach your doorstep. Imagine ordering something online and having it delivered within minutes by a drone gently landing in your yard, or a small robotic cart navigating sidewalks to bring your groceries. AI in transportation isn't just about convenience, it's about safety, efficiency, and sustainability. Smarter traffic management means fewer accidents, less congestion, and reduced carbon emissions. Plus, with AI predicting maintenance needs, vehicles will stay in top shape, reducing breakdowns and delays. In the next 5 years, getting from point A to point B will be faster, safer, and more efficient than ever before. Whether you're commuting to work, ordering groceries, or planning a road trip, AI is transforming how we move, and that future is already on the road. Third on the list is education, an industry that's rapidly evolving with the help of AI. Imagine a world where learning isn't one size fits all, but tailored just for you. AI is making that a reality by personalizing education to suit each student's pace, style, and needs. Whether you're a quick learner or need a little extra time, AI platforms can adjust lessons in real time to ensure you truly understand the material. Imagine you're studying history, and instead of reading from a textbook, you're immersed in a virtual reality experience, walking the streets of ancient Rome or standing at the site of major historical events. AI is bringing subjects to life, making learning more engaging and fun. And let's not forget about homework. AI-powered tutors are now available 24/7 to help students tackle tough questions, explain concepts in simple terms, and provide instant feedback. No more waiting until school hours to get help. Your AI assistant is ready whenever you are. Teachers are also benefiting from this technology. With AI handling administrative tasks like grading and attendance, educators have more time to focus on what truly matters, teaching and connecting with their students. AI can even analyze classroom data to identify which students might need extra support, ensuring no one gets left behind. Accessibility is another huge win. AI-powered translation tools break down language barriers, making global education possible for everyone. Students in remote areas can now access top-tier education resources online, leveling the playing field like never before. In the next 5 years, AI will make learning more interactive, inclusive, and effective. Whether you're a student, teacher, or lifelong learner, the way we gain knowledge is changing, and it's becoming smarter, faster, and more exciting. Coming in at number 4 is retail and e-commerce, industries that are being completely transformed by AI. Shopping is no longer just about browsing shelves or scrolling endlessly online. AI is making the entire experience faster, more personalized, and incredibly convenient. Imagine visiting an online store where product recommendations are tailored just for you. AI analyzes your browsing habits, past purchases, and even what's trending to suggest items you'll love, saving you time and making shopping more enjoyable. You no longer have to dig through pages of products. The best choices come straight to you. Trying on clothes is getting a futuristic upgrade too. Virtual fitting rooms and augmented reality apps now let you try on outfits from the comfort of your home. Picture holding up your phone and seeing how those new sunglasses look on your face or how that jacket fits, without stepping into a store. It's quick, fun, and reduces the hassle of returns. On top of that, now with the AI advancement, you can even create your own avatar based on your real figure. From there, you can choose whatever clothes you think of wanting to buy, select them, and it will appear immediately on your avatar at the convenience of your fingertips. But it's not just about the customer experience. Retailers are using AI behind the scenes to keep shelves stocked and deliveries on time. AI-driven inventory management systems predict which products will be popular, ensuring stores have what you need when you need it. Ever wonder how online orders arrive so quickly? AI helps warehouses pack and ship products efficiently, speeding up delivery times. In physical stores, AI is changing the game too. Smart checkout systems let you grab what you want and walk out, no lines, no scanning. AI sensors track what you pick up, and you're automatically charged, making shopping trips faster and hassle-free. Over the next 5 years, retail and e-commerce will only get smarter, more personalized, and customer-focused. With AI leading the way, shopping is evolving to be faster, easier, and more enjoyable than ever before. And finally, we arrive at finance, an industry where AI is making waves like never before. Managing money is becoming easier, faster, and more secure thanks to AI-driven innovations. Imagine getting real-time spending insights and personalized budgeting tips sent straight to your phone. AI-powered apps now track your expenses, alert you when you're overspending, and even suggest ways to save, all tailored to your financial habits. Fraud detection has also taken a massive leap forward. AI systems analyze millions of transactions every second, spotting unusual activity faster than any human could. Ever received a text from your bank asking if a purchase was yours? That's AI working behind the scenes to keep your money safe. These systems learn from patterns, detecting potential fraud before it causes damage, giving you peace of mind. Investing is becoming more accessible too. Robo-advisors, AI-powered investment platforms, are now helping people grow their wealth without needing a financial degree. Just input your goals, risk tolerance, and timeline, and the AI creates a personalized portfolio, adjusting it as markets shift. Whether you're saving for a vacation or planning for retirement, AI makes investing simpler and more affordable. Banks and financial institutions are also harnessing AI to improve customer service. Virtual assistants can handle inquiries, process loan applications faster, and guide users through complex financial decisions, all while being available 24/7. No more waiting on hold for hours. Help is just a message away. Over the next 5 years, expect finance to become even more streamlined and user-friendly. Transactions will be quicker, fraud detection sharper, and financial planning more personalized. With AI shaping the future of money, managing your finances will be as easy as checking your phone, anytime, anywhere. The financial world is evolving, and it's never been more exciting to be part of it. These industries are just the beginning. AI isn't just changing how we work or live, it's completely redefining what's possible. From smarter healthcare and personalized education to faster transportation and more secure finances, AI is shaping a future where convenience, efficiency, and innovation become the new normal. The world is evolving faster than ever, and those who embrace these changes will be the ones leading the way. So, the question is, are you ready for the future? Because it's already here, and it's more exciting than you can imagine. What other industries do you think will be replaced by AI in the next 5 years? Drop them in the comment below and let me know. I would love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, Subscribe for more content like this. That's it for today. If you're excited about the possibilities and ready to take the next step, don't forget to grab my ebook, AI Side Hustle, link in the description below. It's your complete guide to building a side hustle with AI, whether you're looking to make extra income or launch a full-blown creative business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.